guys, I am back with another video today. This is going to be I don't even know what just happened. This is going to be a very fun video and I'm super excited to be doing this. It's not my usual tutorials. It's going to be something that I feel like more people can relate to. When I do my tutorials, I realized that I used a lot of high-end brands that's not like reaching everyone, and it's not like including everyone because not everybody can go to Sephora and spend $40 on foundation. And the drugstore is coming out with some awesome products, so I'm gonna share this with you. Just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. We are going to start with powders. I just grabbed everything that I knew I loved and we're just gonna talk about it. First off, I really want to mention these Fit Me powders. I love both of these. You don't have to get both. I can be a little bit extra. But I originally bought this Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in Light. So I use it all over my face and it gives you the smoothest finish on your skin. Like, your skin looks so soft and amazing. And I use fair/light underneath my eyes because this is the best just brightening powder ever. Such a finely milled powder. It's so soft. I just can't describe it to you, but it makes your under eyes look amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed with these. The Coty Airspun is amazing. It's just a great all over universal translucent powder. I just got that all over me. So finely milled. Again, the texture really resembles the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is great for just like baking under your eyes, setting your entire face. Like, this is such a good powder. Now, if you are a little more tan, this is another great powder. This is the Luxury Baking Powder by Makeup Revolution in the color Lace. It's also got a yellowish tone to it. If you're tan, this is amazing for baking under your eyes. It's so finely milled again. Really soft, really inexpensive. You get so much powder in here and it's just like such a great product. Okay, and now to talk about primers. I don't actually have like a tried and true drugstore face primer other than the NYX Angel Veil. Just, it's skin perfecting. It doesn't make you oily. And it says, treat your skin to this ultra velvety oil-free primer. It feels lighter than a cloud and leaves skin looking and feeling divine. So, sounds amazing. It is amazing. My other one that's kind of dirty is this Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. I'm sure everybody's heard of this trick. Kylie Jenner mentioned it on like a Snapchat or something one time, and her makeup artist said that this is like a trick that they use, and I used it for prom makeup and my makeup stayed on so long. It doesn't fill pores, but as far as makeup longevity, this stuff works. Now we are moving on to foundation. First, and what I've been absolutely loving lately is this LA Girl Pro Matte foundation. I have the color Beige, and it's just such a pretty soft matte, but it doesn't look dry, it doesn't look cakey, it's full coverage, and it's just so good. I absolutely love this stuff, like love it. The one I'm wearing today, because I'm a little more tan, is the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay foundation, and the cap is in the floor and I'm too lazy to get it. But this is a shade Classic Ivory. Really love this stuff. Like, it makes your skin look smooth. It's flawless. It stays on for so long. And the finish is also a soft matte. It's not a drying matte at all. It feels very comfortable and very lightweight. Another one, again, it's dirty. I'm sorry. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I am obsessed with this stuff. This is a tried and true 100%. I wore this to prom. This was my everyday makeup at high school. I use it on people who I do makeup for all the time, especially like for an event. Very lightweight. It's got a soft matte finish. It's oil free. This right here is my baby. We're about to find out that I like highlighter and lipstick quite a lot, so Sorry about that. An amazing highlighter from the drugstore is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighters. There is no comparison at the drugstore that I have ever found. They're so silky smooth. This is Molten Rose Gold. When you swatch it, it's so smooth. It looks like that on my finger. It's literally like a dream when you swatch it. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Then they make another one. This is the Molten Gold Master Chrome Highlight. And I've got it on today. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely not too gold. It's very, very pretty for the summer. And that's what it looks like on my finger. And again, we'll swatch. I'm obsessed. I cannot get enough of these. I also have this LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. I talked about this in my LA Girl Strobing Powder, whatever I called it, review. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it below so you can watch that if you want to see the review on these drugstore highlighters. So anywho, this is the 110 watt, and I will swatch that for you guys. It's very, very soft and very, very reflective. And I will just show you how reflective that is. And this is the best one. They have several different shades, but 110 is the best. Another highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder. And I have the color Precious Petals. And it's just another amazing drugstore highlighter. I don't think it's as blinding as the others, but that could just be the color I have. But you can definitely tell, like, it's a very smooth, very pretty highlight. Definitely check these out for sure. I only have one drugstore bronzer, and that is because this is the best bronzer ever. Like, not just drugstore, but ever. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. If you watch me, you know I use this like all the time. It just says bronzer, but I know they have different colors now, so I don't know. It's just the original bronzer. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like coconuts, like tropical, just, I don't even know. It's just like perfect for summer. It's just the smoothest, most natural looking bronzer, and I love it. It's what I have on today. I didn't use any contour. I just used this bronzer, and I even used it as an eyeshadow. If there's anything that you buy out of this video, buy this. Like, it's that good. I could not live without it, seriously. Now for blushes. This one has been beaten to death. I've had this for so long, but there's no point in getting another because I have it even though it's ugly. It is the Milani Luminoso, and I still have my name written on it. That's so funny. I have my name like written on the back from where my sister used to steal my makeup when like we were kids. It's so funny. I figured like writing my name on it would stop her, I guess, but obviously it didn't. She still took it, and then she tried to like rub the name off. Anywho, this is the color, and it's just got a hint of like shimmer to it, and it's just perfect. It makes your cheeks glow. I'm wearing that today too, and I just absolutely love it. I have this one. This is also an older one. This is the Dolce Pink one. It's definitely more shimmery than the last one. This is just the perfect rosy, glowing, like, blush. So moving on to concealer, I have recently picked up Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, but it's got this doe foot applicator, which I love on a concealer. Doesn't crease, looks flawless on the skin, very full coverage. And a tried and true, of course, is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I have so many of these. I can't even tell you how many of these that I have. Like, it's insane. These are just absolutely amazing. Like, if you can find these in the drugstore and there's a deal on them, there's a sale, you need to pick them up because this is just such an amazing concealer. Now I am going to move on to setting sprays. I know that Morphe isn't considered drugstore, I guess, but at my Ulta we carry Morphe, and it's really, really inexpensive. This is such a good setting spray. It's the best setting spray I've ever tried. The mist on it is like a hairspray. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see that, and that probably just got all over the camera lens. And just delivers the product so evenly. Never had a setting spray do it as well as this one. Another one I want to talk about, again, I don't know that you consider it like drugstore. I kind of do in a way just because the price point is so inexpensive and you can find it at Ulta. Mario Badescu facial spray. My favorite is the aloe with cucumber. It just smells so good and it's so refreshing. You can spray it on your face like all throughout your makeup. You can apply your foundation, spray it on. You can apply your powder, spray it on. You can finish your entire face, spray it on. You can spray it 4 hours later. It's just so refreshing and it just takes away all that cakiness and it smells good and it's good for your skin. Now I'm going to talk about the eyes. I love this NYX glitter primer. If you are needing something that will hold any kind of like chunky glitter eyeshadow that you've got, even Morphe shadows that are just shimmery, this is amazing at just making that pop. Instead of wetting my brush, a lot of times I'll put this on and it just holds it, makes it last all day and makes it really just stand out. Another great product for the eyes and my favorite eyeliner of all time is the Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner, and it's the Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner plus Serum. A fine brush tip, it's not felt, and it just makes like the perfect black line. So now for the best mascara in the entire world, drugstore or not, it's just good. Like, it is so good. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. The wand is very skinny and it looks like it's going to do nothing for your eyelashes. But it's so good. It's what I use on my eyelashes when I just wear mascara. It's been 9 years that this has been by my side. Every time I use it, I get compliments on my eyelashes, and then I'll use another mascara and it's just not the same. Like, it adds so much length. So I don't know that I did my eyelashes very well today. Hopefully you can see just like how long they are. Okay, and my favorite eyebrow pencil just of all time is the NYX Micro Brow pencil. This is just amazing. It's got the perfect sized tip. Like, look at how tiny that is. It's definitely micro. Every single time I do my brows, that's what I use. Like, I don't use anything else ever. We're going to move on to lipsticks. I have the JLo and Eva lipsticks from L'Oreal. Jennifer's Nude right here, and that is Eva's Nude. And I just love them both because you can do a more dramatic look and do Eva, or you can do, you know, a lighter look and do Jennifer's. This is a Maybelline matte lipstick in Nude Embrace, and I am obsessed. Right here, this is it. So out of all of these, this one is the absolute best. It's so pigmented and creamy and perfect for everyday wear. Moving on to liquid lips, the soft matte lip creams are probably my absolute favorite liquid lips from the drugstore. The color Abu Dhabi is what I'm wearing right now, and it is by far my favorite color that they've ever made. But this right here, like, this is a perfect nude and you don't even know you're wearing it. It's so comfortable. It doesn't dry out. It's so comfortable. I literally forget that I'm wearing it. And the other color that I have is Stockholm right there. But they're both just so pretty. The NYX Liquid Suede, oh my gosh, this color is to die for. This is called Soft Spoken right there. And I just love this mauve. It's so perfect for fall. And then we've got the NYX Lingerie. This is Bedtime Flirt. And that is what it looks like swatched right here. More liquid lipsticks that I just absolutely love are the Milani liquid lipsticks. First off, the packaging is just adorable. If you don't love the packaging, you're crazy. My favorite one is, I believe it's called Adorable. This is like a shimmery pink one. I don't know the color because it doesn't say. And this is the color Adorable. So These two are just like my two favorite from Milani. So now we're going to talk about eyeshadows. These are the best eyeshadows at the drugstore, hands down. These are the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadows. I have the color Amber Rush and then Iced Latte. So I swatched them and the white one didn't swatch that well, but honestly it's because it's old, so don't take that swatch seriously. But you can still see how metallic it is even after that long, but this is really how it should look. This is the Amber Rush and it's just like amazing. Okay, so last we have lashes. I think all of you know that the Eyelure Luxe Opulent Lashes, which are totally used in this box, so just don't pay attention to that, are my absolute favorite. I get them at Ulta. They're amazing. You can find them at Walmart. I don't know if Walgreens sells them, but these are just the absolute best lashes ever. The Ardell Wispies, the 113 Wispies. Sorry that that's like screwed up in there. But the 113 Wispies, not the original Wispies. 113 Wispies. So that is it for my video today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it really helped you and was beneficial, and now you can go out and find these products and love them just as much as I do. If you have any recommendations for any products that you love and are your tried and true from the drugstore, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.